to the Tides Estate. We invite you to entrust us with the details of your special occasion while enjoying stunning surroundings and attentive service. For over 30 years, the Tides Estate has achieved nothing less than total satisfaction among its clients. Located in North Haledon, New Jersey, our exclusive venue is seemingly worlds away, providing the ideal location for your once-in-a-lifetime event. The unsurpassed beauty of our facility and professional staff's attention to detail will assure that your special day is just how you've always dreamed. Close your eyes and imagine your fairy tale wedding begins at the Tides Estate. Discover why there is nothing else like the Tides Estate in northern New Jersey. For a setting that is at the same time glamorous, romantic, and exclusive, the Tides Estate provides a unique and classic atmosphere for the most special events. Upon arrival, you and your guests will be greeted by uniformed valet parkers, followed by champagne and strawberries preceding the start of your event. A romantic ceremony takes place on our 7 acres of magnificent gardens, with delightful unadorned gazebos providing the ideal backdrop for your photography as you exchange vows. The most discerning brides will fall in love with our stunning venue. Elegant catering. Delight in a first-class culinary experience. You have found the perfect setting. One that is both stunning and inspiring, a true reflection of yourself and the event of your dreams. At such an event, your guests should embark upon a culinary journey that continues to excite and tantalize as the affair unfolds. Inventive and beautifully presented, our fare is prepared with only the finest ingredients by professional chefs long associated with the Tides Estate. Enchanting gardens. The Tides Estate boasts spacious, tastefully decorated banquet rooms, accommodating events of any size. Experience the aura of the garden room, where you will find a garden of paradise through our French doors. Impressive crystal chandeliers, rich marble floors, and a strikingly beautiful staircase provide the most impressive setting for any affair. Sophistication. Recognized as one of the finest caterers in New Jersey, the Tides Estate can cater banquets with up to 375 guests, complete with ice carvings, impeccable table settings, and service to match. We can also accommodate smaller receptions with hors d'oeuvres, bar service, and special necessities. Red and white wines are served with dinner, and the 5-hour open bar is always top shelf, offering premium bar service throughout your special occasion. An impressive menu will be customized to reflect and enhance the personal style and theme of your event. At the Tides Estate, we delight in giving each bride the special, undivided attention she deserves.